On today's video, I'll give you my review on a pretty amazing all-in-one trading platform called Bitsgap. So let's start this right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If this is your first time here and you like making money in crypto, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button because this is the kind of content I cover on this channel. Alright, so on my last video, I said I was going to do a contest. I was going to give to two people $50 US worth of a Bitcoin. So all you had to do is leave a comment below the video and put your wallet, your Bitcoin wallet address. So here we are today, and this is what we're going to do right now. Alright, so I already entered my video right here. So let's refresh this and let's start. All right, so there's no Bitcoin address on this one. All right, here we go. So Nomad Overseas, congratulations, you just won $50 worth of Bitcoin. Let's take this. All right, then let's choose another one. And there we go. So Neo Armor, congratulations. So I just discovered Cryptohopper the other day. I was confused how to get it started and found your YouTube channel. I got set up, no problem. It's nice to see another Canadian running a great informative channel. Merci from Ontario. Well, thank you very much. So I'll just take your wallet address. Here we go. And I'll paste it right here. There we go. So how much is it today? So I just checked. So $50 US. Let's refresh actually just to make sure. So yeah, it's 0.001 Bitcoin. So this is what you're going to receive. So congratulations to the both of you. All right, so let's start the today's subject. So let me show you a very interesting platform for your crypto. It's called Bitsgap, and it's an all-in-one trading platform for all your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So it can do a lot of things. I'll try to do just a basic overview today because otherwise the video will be too long. So you can trade, you can manage your portfolio, you can do arbitrage, signal. They have a demo mode. They have trading bots, and everything is done under the same interface. So what's the feature they have? Well, to maximize your profit, they have like three very interesting features. The first one is a trading bot, so where you can have an automated system doing trading on your behalf to generate more profit. They also have a signal feature where they analyze over 10,000 crypto pair and where they can detect the coin that has the strongest potential. And they also have arbitrage. So arbitrage is to make profit on the price difference of buying crypto on an exchange where the price is lower and then selling it on the exchange where the price is higher. So basically it's just by selling and buying different pair, you can generate profit through that. You can connect your Bitsgap with a mini crypto exchange, and some of the main feature, they have a trading terminal. They also have the signal where I just talked about, arbitrage, the portfolio, so you can see, have a glance or manage your portfolio, the trading bots, and the demo. So I'll put the link in the description. So if you want to give it a try, you can have 2 weeks of free to try to have all the feature possible. So if before we dive in, if I show you the price structure, so they have a basic plan at $19 per month, which has like 2 trading bot, and you can trade up to a maximum of 25,000 per month. You can have unlimited exchange. So if for some of you have different exchange, or you have different money spread out through different exchange, well, you can link all those exchange together under one platform. And then they have the advanced feature, which give you more monthly trading limit, and you have a 5 trading bot, and you can also use the arbitrage feature. And they also have a $110 per month. And they also have a free plan. So the free plan only give you $1,000 monthly trading limit, and you don't have access to any of the trading bot. So if you use my link in the description, you'll get a full 2 week of this package right here, so you can try every possible feature that you want. All right, so after you log on, after you create your account, this is what it will look like. So they have different features. So let's go with the first one. So as you can see, they have different menu right here. So we'll start with the first one, which is the trading. So if you're the kind of person that like to do some trading on your own, well, I really like this interface. First of all, you have all your trading exchange all at the same place. Like right now I have 2 connected. I have a Binance and I have a Kraken connected. So if you want to do a trade on those both exchange, well, you can do it directly on one interface. So everything is pretty much standard as you would see on your trading platform, except they have a very few interesting feature to navigate around. So you have like all your book right here. Right here you got your pair. So if you're looking for something particular, you can go right here with the most popular, or you can search directly a pair right here. So right now I'm looking at the BTC USDT, and also here if you have a balance, they will all show up here. So if you're looking at something directly from here, so let's say you would like to trade BNB, well, I can click directly from here, and then from here I can select with what pair I would like to trade it. So let's say I would like to go to USDT. I just select it, and right away I will see the graph appearing. And by the way, this is the trading view graph. So you have all the features, all the option menu and everything, and on top you have more feature than the free version of a trading view. As an example, you can add more indicators. Like the free version, you can only go up to 3. Like this one, you can go like 4 or 5, no problem. And same thing, if you want to save your chart, you can save multiple one instead of just one. So just that alone, it's also very interesting. You can do full screen if you want. So if you want to have a look and do some analysis, you can do it on the full screen if you want. So right here then on the right side, we have the buy and sell. So that's pretty similar. We have the limit, we have the market, or we have the stop limit. So if you want to create any kind of stop loss or stop buy, it's done directly from here. One of the features I like about this is, let's say if you're looking to buy into a coin, so you click your buy, you can select the price, or you can go directly here where it says the best price. You can select the amount. You can choose if you want to prefer percentage. So let's say you would like to put 50%, and then from there you also have 2 very interesting options. The first one is take profit. So you can tell the system right away if you at what point you would like to take profit. So let's say you enter your position somewhere right here at the bottom, and then you calculate, said, okay, I would like to take, let's say 4% profit. Well, you can enter directly, okay, sell at 4% profit. And on top of that, you can do it more than once. So you can add another target. So you can say, okay, if the price reach this target price, sell 80% of my trade at 4%. If the price keep going up, well, when it reach this price, sell the remaining 20% for 6% profit. So that's a very interesting feature. And the other one is the stop loss. So you can set your stop loss right away. So you can decide, okay, I would like to have a stop loss of 8%. And you can also activate the trailing on it. So that's very cool. So if let's say you enter a position, you says, okay, my stop loss is 8%. So by trailing, the stop loss will follow 8% behind the maximum or the highest price of the price action right here. So let's say you enter your position right here and your 8% will be somewhere around here. Well, if the price keep going up, your 8% will follow behind and keep increasing. So if for some reason the price start to go back, well, you can make a higher profit. So those are very, very interesting feature. So now the second one, it's the bot feature. Actually, this one I'll do it at the end. It will be a little bit longer. So Signal. So I didn't really dig into that one, but I know it can give you some signal when there's good opportunities for to enter a trade. So let's say in my case I'm with Binance, so I can see right now the signal for Binance and I can see when it was detected. So from there I can have a look at the chart to see if it's a good trade or not that I could take. But honestly, that's not something that I'm really interested in, but it's there, it's part of it, and it's available for anyone that wants to use it. Arbitrage, right now with the package I have, I don't have access to this because I only have the $19 package. But if it's something that you're interested, just let me know in the comment below and I'll give you a little bit more detail about this. Now the portfolio, so which is nice, so you can have all your trading platform, all your exchange, all at the same place. So you can see everything you have under the same page, which is very nice. So you can see for the last 24 hours for which coin you own, what was the return, how much profit you did separately. You can see overall how much you did also. So everything is there at one place, which I really like. And the last one, well, this is for your exchange. So if you want to connect any of your exchange, you just have to click here where it says add new exchange, and from there you just select the exchange you want and you put your API key and the secret key. To do that, if you don't know, it's very easy. Just go on your exchange and usually, let's say I pull up my Binance account just to give you an idea. So usually right here, what you have, where you have the usually there'll be a button for your preference or feature or personal preference. So right here you can select it, and usually you'll have the menu for the API management. So you just click on there and you'll be able to enter, or not actually enter, but get the key it is required for Bitsgap. So they actually will be the API key and the secret key. So just enter those two keys and click connect. That's it. And then from there you'll have your exchange available right here. So right now I have two connected, so I can trade and I can access anything from those two exchange directly from the main platform. Alright, so the last one I wanted to talk to you about was the bots section. This thing also is very, very amazing. First thing I really like about it, it's ease of use. It's very easy to understand and use, and it's very, very easy to set up. I'm pretty impressed by the profit it's generating. So I have a few bots that I've been testing for the last 2 weeks. Actually, if I go here on my history, you can see like my bot profit right here, and some of them was only running like for 1 day, 4 days, 3 days. So I want one here, 1 day, so 1.53%, 9% for 4 days. So you can see all the average per day. So there, it's pretty good, it's pretty amazing. And it's very, very easy to set up. So let me show you how the Bitsgap trading bot work. So the way it work, it's what we call a grid bot. So what's a grid bot? It's just a bot that set up a grid line through the chart and will execute buy and sell when it go through those grid. So let me give you an example. So if I go here on the 15-minute, you'll be able to understand. Let's go actually on this one, 15-minute. So as you can see, let me go at the beginning. So all the green dot it's when the bot buy, and the red one, it's when the bot sell. So what it's doing, it's buying when the price is low, and it's selling at the top. So it buy low and sells high. That's the way it make profit, but it do it every time it cross a grid line. So I don't know if you can see, but I have like the grid line right here. I have the green right here, and I have the red right here. So every time, let's say the price go up through the grid, the bot will buy into a position. So let me show you right here. So it buy, go down, it buy, go through the grid, and then as soon it go through the grid again, it will sell. So right here, go down, it buy, it go through the grid right here, it start to go up, go through this grid, sell, this one, sell, and then go back, buy, and keep going on like that. So that's the way it keep buying high and buying low and selling high. So for that, it give you it make you a profit every time it do it. So let me show you actually like this one. That's the one we're looking at. So this one's been running for a day right now. A day, 20 hours. Actually, it's almost 2 days, and I'm at 2.31% right now. But look at this. In the last 2 days, the grid did the bot did 93 transaction, so which is a lot. So if we go here, I can have all the details. So I can see my initial investment was 0.0024 Bitcoin, and I can see right now how much I accumulate of how many Bitcoin I have accumulated so far. And so this is the total. So I started with this, and now I'm at 0.0025 Bitcoin. And you can trade against a stable coin like US dollar or any other stable coin, or you can trade directly with the crypto. So in that case, I have two open positions that I'm trading directly with crypto. So basically what I'm doing, it's the crypto on the left, on the right, I mean, it's the one that I want to trade and accumulate. And the one on the left, it's the one I'm using as a leverage to increase this amount right here. So basically, I trade BNB and I use it against Cardano to increase my amount of BNB right here. And same thing with BTC. I want to increase the quantity of BTC I have, so I trade BTC against the Nano, so I can accumulate more BTC by trading against Nano. You can do it with any other pair, it doesn't matter. It's just in that case, I just want to increase the amount of those two coins that I have. So that's why I have a good profit right here. But if you look right here, change, this number I don't really care what it is, because that's the value, like the US-ish value. So this I don't care. My goal is just I want to accumulate more BNB against ADA, and let me show you why it's negative. So we can see it's BNB that I'm trading with ADA, so it's down. So if I go to my portfolio, you can see that Cardano, it's up 0.23% on the last 24 hours, but the BNB, so the Binance coin, is up 17%. So that's my BNB that I'm currently trading with, because I have some right now in Cardano that I'm using as a leverage, while I make less profits, so which make me negative. But in reality, in US dollar, I'm not negative at all. I'm still positive on both sides. It's just that I didn't accumulate as much because I was trading against the Cardano coin. But I know Cardano will rise up in the next few days or week, so this number I really don't care at all. So same thing here for BTC. I want to accumulate more BTC, so I trade it against Nano to increase my gain and to make more money. So the way the grid work, it's very easy to, like, it's very simple to set up. All you have to do is put some money in your exchange, and you'll see the exact amount you have available. So let's say here, actually here you can see examples. So the strategies that they recommend, they would be right here. So that would be the top. So you have for the month, you can go for the week or for the last 3 days. So let's go for a month, and let's say you would like to trade or accumulate more USD money. So in that coin, let's say you don't want to increase necessarily your Bitcoin asset, you would like just to make more money. Well, you can do it directly. So USDT. So you can have a look of all the USDT trade that are recommend right now, that are on top of the list. So you can see all of them. You can do it also, let's say, with the Bitcoin. So you could do BTC, and from there, all the pair that you could use to accumulate more Bitcoin will be available right here. So you can see the percentage for the last month. So you can go with any of those. So let's say you would like to go with Unify. So you could just click on this one, and then you could select your bot accordingly. I'll do another video to give you all the detail how to do the setup, but if we do an example, let's go to USDT. It will be a little bit easier to understand. So let's say I go USDT and I want to do it against Nano. So I can go right here. And then from there I need to adjust the grid, because the larger the grid is, the more money it will cost. So to have an idea how much money we would need for this grid exactly, we would need over $4,000 to enter this trade, because it's a very large grid. So what we can do, we can just zoom out, move this down, and then go to the lower, and we can increase this one. So now at this point, we only need $700. We still can decrease it if we want to. We have two choices. We can increase the grid step. So the grid step is the amount of grid in the chart. So right now I have 56 grids, so 56 lines. So the more grid, the more money will cost you. So let's increase that, let's say to 1.99%. So now we need $358 if we would like to enter this trade. Let's say we put 1.5%. That would be 234. And then again, we can reduce this here, right here, and we can increase this if we want to, not too much. And at this point, we are at $155. So if we would do that, we would have a grid at 1.5%. So every line represent 1.5% increase, and always make sure you go higher than your fees from your exchange. Like in my case with Binance, it's 0.1%. So if I trade, let's say at 0.89%, well, after the 0.1%, I'm still at 0.79% profit with every trade. So from there, just select, and when you're fine with the amount, so the $271, well, there would be a button right here to start your bot. You can do also a back test with those settings, those exact settings. So let's say I do a back test. Well, that would be my result if I would trade it, let's say a week ago or 3 days ago. So it gives you an idea of what kind of result you might expect. Don't forget, past result don't mean your future result. It's just to give you an idea. But anyway, like I said, I'll go more in detail on another video, how you can set up your bot and how you can choose which pair you could choose to maximize your profit. But right now, with this particular setup, I currently have $676 invested in almost 2 days, and I'm already at 3.49% increase with those two coins. So I have increase in BTC and also have increase in BNB. And if we look at my history, well, you can see I was trading here like USDT, so I only did this one for 6 hours, so I didn't increase by 0.81%. So I invest $1.59, and after a 6 hour I made $1. So you can have an idea on what kind of profit you can make. But the thing I like, it's so easy to do, very easy to set up. You just set it up and you just forget it, and that's it. If you want to give it a try, you just use my link in the description and you'll have a full 14 days to try it and see if you can make a good profit out of it. But it's very, very simple to use. So I hope you did like this video. If it's the case, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any of my future video. So that's it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you very soon on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.